How to download Android apps not available in your country. First one is to use a VPN. Install a VPN and connect to a server in the target country. Clear Play Store data, go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, Clear Cache/Clear Data. Then search and download the app in the refresh Play Store. Method 2 is to create a new Google account. Add a secondary Google account with the desired country during setup. Use a local phone number if prompted. Then switch accounts in the Play Store to access region-specific apps. Finally, you can use trusted APK sources, enable unknown sources, security, and then settings, and download APKs from verified sites like APK Mirror. Scan files for malware before installing. Alternatively, you can use third-party stores like Aptoide, but prioritize official sources for security. VPN use and APK downloads are legal if the apps aren't pirated or modified. Avoid copyright violations by not distributing restricted content. Subscribe.